How does a Fidelity cash management account works? Now, it's a fee-free alternative to a traditional checking account, right? So it doesn't have any fees, and it also has, I'm pretty sure, ATM reimbursement here, right? So ATM fee reimbursement, and you can see no fees, right? So no account fees or minimums to open up an account, and you can choose from two competitive options. You can get a Fidelity government money market fund with a 3.96% yield for a 7-day yield, and an FDIC insured deposit sweep program for a 2.21% annual percentage yield, right? So if you want to open an account, you can click on this button here to open an account. You can see here, just tap on that, and then it'll load up like this. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, you want to click on either of these buttons, depending if you're already a Fidelity customer or not. If I just click on no, because I don't have one, you'll have to open an account here, right? And you'll have to confirm a couple things. You'll need to confirm your identity and also your employment information. And once the account is open, you'll create a username and also a password, and then you'll finally begin the process of transferring the money into your account. If you want to continue, just tap on next here. And then you'll have to fill out a couple of forms, a couple of identity verification as well, and of course your employment information as well. You can see it'll load like this, and then let's just wait for it to load. Now once here, you'll have to pick what kind of account you want. Is it just for you, or if you want to share it, just tap on next. I'm just going to click it for me, just for me, like this, and then just wait for it to load. Once it loads, then you'll have to fill all of these things out. First off, you'll have to fill in your name, your middle name, your last name, your SSNN, your date of birth, your country of citizenship, your mobile number, your email, and also where you live. And then just tap on next, and then I'm pretty sure you'll have to go through a couple of verification process as well. But after all of those processes are made, you'll make a Fidelity account, and then once you make a Fidelity account, you can start making a Fidelity cash management account.